A flag has to be designed with 4 horizontal strips using some or all of the colors red, green and yellow. What is the number of different ways in which this can be done so that no two adjacent strips have the same color? Flag has 4 horizontal strips. We have 3 colors. This strip can be filled using any one of the 3 colors. Okay, so this strip has 3 choices. This strip can be filled in 3 ways. Say you filled it with red. You cannot fill this strip with red color. So this strip has 2 choices, yellow or green. Say you filled it with yellow. Now this strip has 2 choices, green or red. Say you are filling it with green. This strip has 2 choices. Say you are filling it with red. So number of ways, 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. 8 3s are 24. Answer C. A rectangular floor measures 4 meters in length and 2.2 meters in breadth. Tiles of size 140 centimeters by 60 centimeters have to be laid such that the tiles do not overlap. A tile can be placed in any orientation so long as its edges are parallel to the edges of the floor. What is the maximum number of tiles that can be accommodated on the floor? Say you have a rectangular floor like this, 4 meters, that is 400 centimeters length, 2.2 meters in breadth, that is 220 centimeters in breadth. Say I'm having 140 by 60 tile here, one tile, again 140 by 60, so this is 280. I can have 60 by 140 here, 60 by 140 here, 280 plus 120, 400 satisfied. Now this height is 60, right? So 220 minus 60, that is 160 centimeters left. So I can have 140 by 60, 140 by 60, 140 by 60, 140 by 60. 6 4s are 240. 400 minus 240. How much left? 160 is left. This is 160. I can have 140 by 60 tile, one more. So total how many tiles I can have? 9 tiles. Answer D. There are 5 persons, P, Q, R, S and T, each one of whom has to be assigned one task. Neither P nor Q can be assigned task 1. Task 2 must be assigned to either R or S. In how many ways can this assignment be done? There are 4 tasks. Task 2 must be assigned to either R or S. So this can be done in 2 ways. Say you have assigned it to R. Now you cannot assign this task either to P or Q. How many persons left? 2 persons, S and T. So this task can be assigned to S or T. So in 2 ways. Now 2 persons are gone. This task is gone to 1 person. This task is gone to another person. Now this task can be assigned to 3 persons in how many ways? 3 ways. 3 persons gone out of 5 persons. This task can be assigned to remaining 2 persons in 2 ways. So 8 into 3s are 24. Answer D. There are large number of silver coins weighing 2 grams, 5 grams, 10 grams, 25 grams, 50 grams each. Consider the following statements. To buy 78 grams of coins, one must buy at least 7 coins. To weigh 78 grams using these coins, one can use less than 7 coins. Which of the statements given above is correct? To have least number of coins, we have to use coins with maximum weight. So 50 coin I am using once. Now 10 plus 10, 8 is left. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, 78. We need at least 7 coins to buy 78 grams of coins. To have 8, you must need 2 coins. There is no other way. To have least number of coins, you have to use 50. Now how to make 20? 20 you have to make with least number of coins. So 10 and 10. So this is true. Now to weigh 78 grams using these coins, say in one plate you have 80 grams, in another plate 78 plus 2 grams. You can have 80 grams as 50 plus 25 plus 5. This side you put 2 grams and then remaining 78 grams you can weigh. So you can use less than 7 coins. We used here 4 coins only, right? So to weigh 78 grams, we can use less than 7 coins. So both the statements are true. Answer C. Consider the following. A plus B means A is neither smaller nor equal to B. A is neither smaller nor equal to B. That means A is greater than B. A minus B means A is not greater than B. A is not greater than B. That means A is less than or equal to B. A is not greater than B. That means either A is equal to B or A is less than B. A into B means A is not smaller than B. A is not smaller than B. That means A is either greater or equal to B. A divided by B means A is neither greater nor equal to B. A is neither greater nor equal to B. That means A is less than B. A plus or minus B means A is neither smaller nor greater than B. A is neither smaller nor greater than B. That means A is equal to B. This is for plus, this is for minus, this is for multiplication, this is for division, this is for plus or minus. Now P into Q, that means this. P greater than or equal to Q. When you have A into B, you can write like this, right? So when you have P into Q, you can write like this. P minus T, A minus B, you can write like this. So P less than or equal to T, T divided by R. When A divided by B, you can write like this. So T less than R plus R minus S. When A plus R minus B is there, you can write like this. So you can write R is equal to S. Now see, R is equal to S. R is S, right? So R is greater than T here, which is greater than or equal to P, which is greater than or equal to Q. Now conclusion 1, Q plus R minus T. That means Q should be equal to T. See, T is greater than or equal to Q. It can be Q or it can be greater than. So we cannot draw this conclusion. This is not always true. Sometimes it can be greater than as well. In worst case, they all can be equal. So T can be Q. But in other cases, it can be greater than Q. So we cannot draw this conclusion. What about S plus Q? That means S is greater than Q. See, S is definitely greater than T. If T is Q, then we can say S is definitely greater than Q. If T is greater than Q, then also we can definitely say S is greater than Q. So yes, this conclusion is true. Only conclusion 2 follows from the statement. Answer B. This is always true irrespective of T is equal to Q or T is greater than Q. If T is equal to Q, then S is greater than Q because S is greater than T. If T is greater than Q, then definitely S is greater than Q.